If you press the subscribe and like buttons, Ahga will be really happy.
Hello friends, I'm Ahga. Shall we have an exciting day with Ahga today? Wow, look here! There are lots of blocks that the Ahga loves the most. Shall we build a magnificent castle with colourful and pretty blocks?
Let's start with this big blue one.
If I stack it like this and stack it like that, ta-da! How is it? But friends, do you know what Ahga just made? It's a wonderful train track. I made a path for the choo-choo train to pass. And I also made a tunnel. Wow, the train is running really fast. Vroom vroom. Cars are also happily driving. Zoom! How about it? Do you want to play with Ahga? I played house and sang songs with my teddy bear, bunny and puppy doll friends. La la la, it was a fun time, wasn't it? Have you ever played with your doll friends? Tell me what games you played. But, as Ahga played happily, the room seems to have gotten a little messy. What should I do? Ahga was so excited when playing, but seeing the messy room makes me a little sad. Do my friends' rooms sometimes get this messy too? What should Ahga do? Can my friends tell Ahga a good way? That's right, my friends gave Ahga good ideas. But trying to organise it by myself feels a bit overwhelming. Shall we, my friends, organise with Ahga? It'll be much more fun and faster to clean up with Ahga. Now let's all work together to make a sparkling clean room.
We'll make it fun.
Okay, shall we organise the blocks first? That's right, you can stack them neatly in the block box. As the blocks fall into place, the room seems to be getting a little cleaner. Next are the train and car friends. Let's put the train in the train box and the car in the car box. Vroom vroom, let's go back to our places. Now it's time to put away my doll friends.
In you go, Teddy. Your turn, little bear. Almost done.
Let's put the teddy bear on the bed, the rabbit doll on the chair, and the puppy doll in the toy basket. My friends, it's not hard to tidy up with Ahga, is it? Ta-da! Wow, friends, look how my room has changed. The toys that were scattered everywhere earlier have all found their places. Seeing the sparkling clean room, Ahga's heart also feels really good. My friends also feel good seeing the room as clean as Ahga's, don't they? My friends, you've worked so hard cleaning up with Ahga. The room became clean quickly when we tidied it up together like this, didn't it? When I do it alone, it might be a bit difficult and not fun. But doing it with friends makes it much more enjoyable and energising. My friends, from now on, after playing with toys, will you always put them back in their place? Promise. It's really cool to organise. When our friends organise their toys, the toys can rest comfortably.
See? All comfy now.
And my friends can play more excitingly in a clean room. My friends, who successfully completed the great tidying up operation with Ahga, are truly the best. Let's play another fun game with Ahga next time.
Goodbye. See you next time. If you press the subscribe and like buttons, Ahga will be really happy.